Another record broken by Cristiano Ronaldo. The Portuguese superstar has now become the first football player in history to break 1 billion earnings milestone during his playing career. Hey viewers, welcome you all to our new episode of 3R Mojos. Today we will bring up to you the story of a billion-dollar superstar. Whoever comes to our channel for the first time, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon next to it, so that you have all our new releases earlier than others. Cristiano Ronaldo earned $105 million before taxes and fees in the past year, landing him at number 4 on the 2020 Forbes Celebrity 100, one spot above his rival in the sport Lionel Messi, and making him the first soccer player in the history to earn 1 billion across his playing career. The 35-year-old striker is only the third athlete to hit the mark while still playing, following Tiger Woods, who did it in 2009 on the back of his long-term endorsement deal with Nike, and Floyd Mayweather, who did it in 2017 and has made most of his income from a cut of pay-per-view sales for his boxing matches. Ronaldo, the first to reach earnings milestone in a team sport, has made $650 million on the pitch during his 17 years as a pro, and is expected to reach $765 million in career salary with his current contract, which ends in June 2022. Guided by George Mendes, one of the world's most powerful agents, Ronaldo has amassed an ever-growing following of fans and consumers drawn to his poster boy good looks, his trend-setting hairstyles, his impeccable fashion sense, and also his softer side as a family man pop up on his social media posts. In January 2020, he became the first person with 200 million followers on Instagram, part of social media army of 427 million across Facebook, Instagram and Twitter that makes him the most popular athlete on the planet. Nike pays him upwards of $20 million annually and signed him to the lifetime deal in 2016, making him just the third athlete after Michael Jordan and LeBron James not with the Nike for eternity. In May, the footwear maker announced the release of a 10-year anniversary edition of his first signature Mercurial Superfly and a child's version to celebrate his son's 10th birthday, complete with the famous celebration stance, signature and logo. Pitches for Clear Shampoo, Herbalife and pharmaceutical maker Abbott helped raise his endorsement tally to $45 million. Ronaldo Inc. even has a trademark CR7, a mix of his initials and jersey number, part of a lifestyle brand that Forbes estimates accounts for a quarter of his annual endorsement income, including branded underwear that debuted in 2013 and was followed by a line of shoes, fragrance and denim wear. He partnered with Pastana Hotel Group in 2015 to open his first proprietary a year later in his hometown. Ronaldo's 2020 earnings include a salary of $60 million, slightly less than last year. Because of a 30% pay cut he agreed to take this April as a result of the pandemic. Despite slightly less income than the last year, he still passes the 1,000 million income milestone. With earnings of €720 million from 2010 to 2019, he was ranked second in the Forbes list of highest paid athletes of the decade. So viewers, that's it for today. 3R Mojos is signing off for today. We will come soon with our new video on celebrities and their controversial life. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Till then, stay well. Bye bye.